Smart bus shelter means digitization of urban mobility, and it brings the needs of new IoT equipments installed into the bus shelter, only to enable the collection of data to support urban mobility, increase the comfort and safety of passengers, as well as fact that every point of connectivity in the city IoT infrastructure and communication bus brings the necessary IoT data on the edge layer of smart cities. Smart Bus Shelter brings a new perspective on how to combine multiple services into one product, including security, camera powered by AI video surveillance, SOS button, air and water monitoring, automatic disinfection dispenser, overview of occupancy of each shelter, secured and controlled Wi-Fi, touch panel and LCD screen, charging of e-bikes, e-scooters or other devices. Its functionality makes it an ideal device for any type of bus shelter. Another advantage is the integration of all digital IoT supporting solutions for urban mobility, smart city, and more into a single digital point. Hardware prerequisites and starting points for effective data flow. All devices are very flexible both in terms of performance, technical parameters e.g. temperature, operating range, and in the number and type of input and output ports, necessary hardware communication interface for connecting other hardware and software peripherals. We produce those devices in-house, or we select devices agnostically from the manufacturer. It is operated on a Linux open source operating system, and many of them offer hardware customization options. Computational power of the device in combination with its compact dimensions, e.g. can be mounted on a DIN rail, and a wide selection of I/O and communication interfaces makes it an ideal solution for use in a wide range of spectrum of automation and IoT projects, including urban applications. IoT equipment like sensors, cameras, radars, actuators are conveniently located directly in the facility to maintain its physical protection. In most cases, we appropriately monitors the physical access to the device itself, opening sensor door, cover opening sensor. Thanks to other technologies, PLC Ethernet bridge, IoT sensor gateway, we can create for all of them a strong communication node. We use IA plus EBI, fast and efficient tool for developing integration interfaces of smart bus shelter. Designed primarily for the Internet of Things IoT. Visual programming interface for quick creation of interfaces of your applications to IoT. Application layer level integration. Integration at the edge layer level. Without being able to integrate and aggregate data into one complete IoT platform to integrate into another smart city IoT ecosystem. The role of Smart Bus Shelter is not complete and does not play its most important role. And here is the role of infrastructure intelligence solution of exceptional value and know-how for all our partners.